Yeah, I'm haunted. The eye is always on me. I feel like everywhere I go, I'm being haunted.
I can't even go to sleep, I've been asking myself, what the fuck is going on? I can't answer myself. Now I think I'm going crazy, I could laugh at